Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add books on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Here on the bottom, you can see the search icon. Click on it. Now, in this search bar, search books. Here you'll be able to find different type of book and audiobooks. Select the one you like. So you can play it or even download it and listen to it later. So this is how you add books on Spotify. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.